something actually substantial?
If we're lucky, yes. I'm praying for 50. Because at that point I'll be 90. And it'll be a man. Sit down, you little son of a... I'm glad you heard that, Jessica. So Jessica, I apologize. Ellie, thank you for telling me the damn thing is open. It is open. I just swore at you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to swear at you. Ellie reminded me to start the camera again. Appreciate, I'm obviously a professional, obviously. So, you'll have the warm-up. We just went over it. I apologize. I forgot to hit record on that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to catch... Oh, Jenna, go ahead.
You have to change that to 50.
Oh, we're gonna. I don't know why I phrased it like I did on the lab. I said, let's go for a different number of fish. Let's try 50 this time. That's the same as we did the first time. I'm not sure why I did that.
Yeah, you should say with 20.
Well, do you want to do 20 this time? Just to mix it up? You want to do different numbers of fish? We could change it to something else. We could change it to something like 60 if you want. No. 50? You want to just keep it 50? I'm down with whatever. I mean, it's still going to work. I mean, it's going to catch different numbers of fish. Okay, you know what to do, right, people? Come up here, walk up here, press the F9 button, get yourself a number. You know what to do. Get up here. Are you making me walk, Sean? Are you making me walk? Jessica, I'm going to give you a number. Actually, Chris, you have a number? Chris, press it again for Jessica so she has a number. Okay, Jessica, your number is 2. There you go, my friend. Hopefully she heard that.
Your number's 2.
Thank you, Chris. You did? That's okay. Do you want to do it again?
Yes.
Do it again.
Okay.
I've got them set up for unlimited attempts.
Okay.
So go right ahead. Not a problem at all, my friend.
Are we gonna go over that in class?
The journal?
After
No, not
this,
the journal, but like the.
I only have one class.
I just- I don't know, because I wrote that journal on Friday and I totally forgot what it was. Can you send me an email and we'll chat about it? I have a chat with these guys. Absolutely, yeah. I just don't remember. I write them every Friday, post them, and then immediately flush that part of my brain out and do something else with it. Because as the older I get, the less RAM I have available. So I have to free up space by flushing things like that out.
Adding, and I was like.
That's okay. We'll chat.
Yes.
We will chat about it, my friend. I promise you. Okay. Not gonna leave you hanging. 1.5 for P. How dare you? Well done, you. That was well done. Elliot, cannot thank you enough for having me start the camera again. Thank you. I'm gonna try not to forget now for the rest of the class. F9, sir. Yes, just F9. It's at that top button. Oh, not type it. Press it. Just press delete, backspace. Now do this for me. Do this for me. Click the mouse out of somewhere else. Okay. There actually it's just F9 itself for you, but you got 0, which is kind of boring. Find the F9 button. There you go. So what's actually going on with that, just so you know, because it's a kind of a weird thing, it's a randomizer. So it's like throwing a die. And you're getting it literally the same thing. I mean, a little bit different because fishing meat, you try to go places where you think they're going to be, but the scientists have already done that. Then even though they drop the net in or chuck the fly at them, you still don't know what fish is going to attack it. You might be casting for a certain one and get somebody else that comes in instead. Cool! So Jessica, you got fish, you got two tagged out of 50. Beautiful. Okay. Now what I want you to do, I want you to do numbers 9 and 10. Let's make sure we understand what I want you to do at 9 and 10, okay? In number 9, you're just using the sample you just took. So how many fish out of 50, yes?
Oh.
In number 10, you're going to combine both of your samples together, which means you have to go back and look at what you had the first time. And you're going to have a total number of fish of...
25.
Oh, I mean, in your sample. How many fish are in your combined sample? 100. Because you had 50 you caught the first time and 50 you caught the second time. You see what I'm getting at there, Larry? Okay. It's okay. I'm going to be wandering around. But you're going to be doing 2 proportions, Jenna. The proportion like you just did on the previous page for this new sample. So just like you did here. Sorry, just like you did here. But you're going to use your new numbers. Okay? Then you're going to combine this sample where you had 0 out of 50 and this sample where you had 4 out of 50. So if you had 0 out of 50 here and 4 out of 50 here, you've actually sampled 100 fish. How many of them were tagged?
Should I write down?
Yes, these are both under proportions. 4 out of 50 equals.
0 over.
No, the zeros are already included down here. Like it's 4 out of 100 down here. Because in your first sample, but pretend it's this way, Jenna. You went to 2 spots in the lake where you think the fish are. You sampled 50 of them here, and you sampled 50 of them here. That means you sampled 100 altogether. In total, you got 40. You got 4, so it's 4 out of 100, and this is 4 out of 50. This is just the second sample. This is both samples. These are perfect. Now, what are they going to be equal to? Look back to your last page.
0. How is that possible?
Not 0. Look back here. Why is this 50 out of question mark? Because the total number of tagged fish in the lake is 50. That's still going to be, it's still going to be 50 over question mark. Because there's only 50 tagged fish in the lake. There's only 50. They're both going to be that. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Assuming that you got, except not times, brother, it's equals. Yeah, does that make sense? There you go. And the other one's going to be exactly, yes! They're both going to be, yeah, hi. It's okay if we're getting confused. Just stick your hand up. I'll visit. Yes, we got you, Marley. Hang on one second. Yes, because the power is, we're all, think of it this way, every one of us is using that 50 over question mark. The longest is, right? Because there are 50 tagged fish in the lake, and we don't know how many are totally in the lake. That fraction should be equal to whatever fraction we're getting, no matter how many fish we scoop up and sample. Is that believable? All right, Marley, talk to me, my friend. Yes. That's perfect. Yes. Don't overthink this. What did you do here and why did you do this? I love this. Why did you do it? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. That's what you did there. Wait, I'm going to come this for a second. What is that 50 represent? Yes, these tagged fish are in the lake. What's that question mark?
So this is basically, for example, I had one.
What are we trying to figure out?
My second
How
one
many
was 2, so I
are in the
had to
lake? So
combine
that's the
them.
total number. You got it.
And then do the
So,
exact same.
no matter how many sample we draw, the smallest.
But it's out
This
of.
is still good for the ratio of tags to total. So it's, you got it, my friend.
Because you would do 50
Right, I
times
think
50,
it's-
you get this amount above, and then you would do 30 times.
So it's 8 out of 7 now, it's more like 3.
So I love that you
Basically,
do
the
this,
3
right?
plus 5 equals the 8 part, and then 20 plus 50 equals 70.
But
So it'd be
there are
100
50
in
what
most
kind of
places
fish
instead this happens.
tagged fish in that, and you don't know how to total fish. So no matter what fraction you put on this side is always going to be always. So now, in your first sample, you have 2 out of 50, correct?
Because I got the same
In your second sample, you
above.
had 1 out of 50. So altogether, how many fish did you catch? You
Times
tagged
100.
out of how many total fish? That's your new fraction.
Large amount.
3 out of 100 equals.
I'm just gonna go.
No, I didn't choose. I didn't ever.
You better. Out of question mark. It's exactly the same. Because it doesn't matter how many fish you catch. The ratio of tag to total is still 50 over some number that we're trying to figure out.
Let's put all that data together. Should we do that?
Fewer fish in your second sample than your first sample, yes?
Based on all of our.
That's what that tells me. That could, some people are gonna go up. Jenna's gonna go up by an infinite amount because she had no fish in her first sample and 4 in her second. Marley, quote you and repeat that. So Jessica, I'm gonna say something to the whole class. Marley just expressed a concern that maybe y'all are having too, and I loved it. In number 9 or number 10, your total number of fish may have gone down from number 7.
Yep.
Or it may have gone up. Or it may have stayed the same. Any one of these things could have happened to you. That's okay. What you're doing right now is probably your first bit of what I call statistical analysis, where there's an unknown in the world and you're trying to figure out what it is. In particular, how many fish are in this lake. Because the only way to know that with 100% certainty is to go catch them all. We can't do that. That's too expensive. And it'd probably also kill most of them, I imagine, if we did that. So we do it this way. The downside, of course, the upside of doing it this way is we can actually do this. This is affordable. It doesn't hurt the fish. You can put them right back in the water. The downside is you're going to be off a little bit. We will take care of that shortly. Is that okay? Marley, that was a fantastic question. Thank you, my friend. Okay, I'm going to turn the damn camera off because, Jessica, I don't want you watching a blackboard more than you have to.